Welcome to Liberty Falls. Population? Well, less than yesterday. Never been so glad to see backup arrive. Hell, I'm lucky I'm still in one piece. I need you to look for survivors. Subdue any threats. Help me save this town. Copy. Eyes up, team. Hostiles are getting rowdy. Be advised, we lost contact with 3 of our scientists in town trying to stop the outbreak. Find them, bring them home. We need Gray Howard as much as possible.
Don't make me do it again. I couldn't. I'm already headless.
Keep pushing. We need to find out what caused all this, even if it turns out it was us.
Double point. Bonus points.
I wondered how gratifying that might be, but... Wow!
Tear them to Easter kill.
Watch your 6. There's gotta be more crawlers out there.
Max ammo.
Oh, that's amazingly hot! Like, lava hot!
Alpha team, what was that? The body cam signal is breaking.
Your Project Terra's security, yes? A so-called rapid response team. Not nearly rapid enough, but I knew you would come.
Max armor.
6 years of pent-up rage. Who else wants some?
The other foot.
I recognize weapons aren't sentient, but I think she rather liked that.
That's gonna attract some attention. Keep the hostiles clear. We need to build pressure behind that valve.
You all look so pissed off. Trust me, the feeling's mutual. I'm not even tired! Fuck me. That's what happens when you bring teeth and claws to a gunfight. Decoy out!
Gauge acquired. Better keep it close in case we need it.
Full power.
Bloody hell! That was a lot of mercy killing.
That must have been Dennis Riffle.
Max
Church
Armor.
groundskeeper. Good guy. Seems his luck didn't stick around in the end, though. Wonder what the key's for. All right, Riffle. Let's see what you've been keeping locked up in here. A handbrake. The hell did Riffle plan to do with that? Got a one-way ticket back to base with your name on it.
Don't worry, mate. That was quick. Especially the bit where you went from on to off.
Electrical wiring. Bet we can find a use for that.
Bonus points.
I felt more pain stubbing my toe.
Is that a design for a weapon? Looks like you already found some of the parts. Rustadyne Model 23, huh? Definitely not Janus sanctioned. But that doesn't matter now, does it? Let's see what this thing can do. That's Dr. Levine. Joined the physics team last year. Nice enough guy, but weird.
That is grand. Now, go get the other two.
Don't give my people orders, panels.
Look after your body, and your body will look after you.
Exfil Bird retask. Will advise.
Max Ammo.
That's enough working parts. Time to construct the LTG device.
You're clear to proceed, Alpha. I'm worried about the director. I saw him when this started, then his comms went dark.
Well, if I'm learning anything, it's that just because you're missing doesn't mean you're dead. Isn't that so?
Who are you talking to?
It's just a rhetorical question, that's all.
So, what exactly does that thing do?
LTG activated. See that beam? Give it time and a full-fledged portal should open. LTG. Limited, transdimensional. But, seriously, the LTG summons high-value targets so we can steal their life energy. My colleagues managed to fill one ether canister before they, ran out of luck. You'll need to fill 2 more. If those things destabilize the portal beam, we have to start fresh.
That HVT may hit hard, but we hit harder. Light them up. offense, Panos, but if one of you lab coats was gonna survive, my money would have been on Pelletier.
Yes, she was formidable. But sometimes survival is about the friends you make. Hey, what was it? Oh, okay, fine, I'll shut up. Harvest its energy. Trap is working. Kill it there while you can.
Max ammo.
HVT is KIA.
And the ether canister is filled. Excellent work, my friends. Splendid. We are locked and loaded, yes? Time to find and fill the last canister. To get your hands on it, you'll need a Strauss counter. I named them after the undisputed authority on Dark Ether energies. You really should look him up. That's one of the projectors we are looking for. We won't know, Blanche. Light elemental particles. They'll neutralize the dark energy surrounding the canister. But it takes some fine-tuning. The frequencies are temperamental.
Okay, that canister by the gas station should be accessible now.
Goody! Let's get to work filling it.
I could have killed a lot more of you, you know! Just call me Dr. Tough Stuff. No, don't forget I said anything.
Initiating portal stabilizing.
Your HVT showed up, Panos. Don't make me regret it.
Knowledge of something lead into an ether sound.
Alpha, report. Did we get what we need to shut down this outbreak?
Bring the canister to the SDG machine. Quick, before it fizzles out.
Panos, when this is over, we'll need you to come in for debrief. That's an order, copy.
Well, Blanchard, you have your orders, and I have mine.
I won't worry. No, you for a second. Oh, I imagine I look like that when I haven't had my first cup of tea.
If you need to hit the exit button, we're ready.
Kill me when you have the chance.
Suspending Expo for now, Alpha. You're on your own.
Does anyone remember how this machine got its name?
Tear them to pieces.
Consider that your final warning.
Max ammo. Insta-kill. Kaboom!
Time for some fancy fingering. Oh, wait. No, that came out wrong. Very wrong.
Moment of truth, Alpha Team. Activate the simultaneous dimensional gateway. Do this right, and the SDG will unleash a neutralizing energy wave. And then, it's bye-bye, Dark Ether. That's right. Kill those undead bastards. Kill them all. Bingo! Every few kills empowers the SDG. Trust me, we want that orb to keep growing. Sphere even bigger.
Goodness me! It's all go round here.
Max armor.
A lady should always be proper, and I just proper stomped you. Do you have any idea how pathetic you look just now?
Max ammo.
Alpha Team, how copy? Somebody tell me what just happened. Any station this net, what is your status? Thanos, if you've heard them, I swear I'll...
No interruptions for this next